Hey everyone, so I made a quick tutorial video on how to take the train from Madrid to Sevilla. Most of you won't need it, but just in case. I want to help you guys make your trip as smooth as possible and also give you a little preview of the process of what it's like to catch a train in Spain. Most of you are arriving at Madrid-Barajas Airport. When you get off the plane, you'll most likely be seeing all of this. It's a bit of a walk, but just follow the signs for passport control. In this case, I just had under 2 hours between my arrival and my train departure. Have your passport ready. Hopefully there isn't a large line like this. It's stressing me out. Once you've passed through, proceed to follow the signs to Terminal 4 or exit. I was in T4S, so the only way to Terminal 4 is through the underground train. Hop on and keep moving and follow the signs toward the exit. Unless you have a connecting flight, skip this and head over to baggage claim. Collect your bags, and great, we're almost halfway there. If you're taking the metro or the Cercanías train, you'll start to see these symbols on the signs above. Follow them if it applies to you. Thankfully, I made it out pretty quick since I didn't check any luggage. You'll see these large signs on where to go. You want to use Uber, there's an escalator that'll take you up to the pickup lots designated for ride sharing. If you're using the metro or the Cercanías train, then take the down escalators. Some of you are staying in the city for a few days. I highly recommend taking an Uber if you have a lot of luggage to take to your hotel. It's just easier. The metros can be extremely crowded. But for the rest of your stay in Madrid, the metro system is excellent and very easy to use. If you're staying in the center, I'd probably just get the 10 journey ticket because you most likely walk to most places. The Cercanías ticket station is toward the end of the hall. Again, this train will take you directly to Atocha. Just make sure you're on the C1 or C10 towards central Madrid and get off at Atocha. This is important. If you have a Renfe AVE ticket, your Cercanías ride to Atocha is already included. Just check to see if your ticket says Caminado Cercanías at the top of your ticket. If it does, simply scan the QR barcode on your AVE ticket at the Cercanías turnstile. If it doesn't scan, use the ticket machine and enter the Caminado Cercanías code shown on your ticket. Renfe currently allows up to 4 hours before the departure of their long-distance train. If your train is more than 4 hours or if your ticket doesn't have it, then really quick, just select Adult, Ida, or One Way. Type in Atocha, pay by card, it's just under €4 and will get you there in 25 to 30 minutes. Then follow the signs for the C1 train. Anyways, I needed to get to Atocha and was cutting it dangerously close to catching my train to Sevilla. I wanted to get this footage for you guys, so I ordered an Uber. As I mentioned before, rideshare pickup is located upstairs, so I took the escalator up, followed the signs, and made my way to the pickup lot. This was my first time using Uber in Spain. I usually just take the train, but time was short. My long-lost cousin from the Dominican Republic was my Uber driver, nice guy, dropped me off with 25 minutes left to get to my train. So there's multiple entrances to get to the main hall. You'll see boards like these, just like you would at the airport. Find your train and see if it has been assigned a platform. In my case, my 7:30 Sevilla train has already been assigned to platform 12. Yes, the train stations have a luggage control. These lines can get long, so try to arrive at least an hour before your train. I'm running out of time here, so I gotta get through, and now I need to follow the signs for my platform. That's not 12. Jesus, get out of the way. There we go. 12 is between 9 and 15, I think. I highly recommend creating an account with Renfe, and if you purchase your ticket in advance, then it will show up on the app. Tickets will have a QR code for an attendant to scan, so if they send it to you via email, then have it easily accessible or download it to your Apple or Google Wallet or whatever. Also, always keep it on you because attendants will ask for it again while you're on the train sometimes. Double check your ticket to see what car or coche you're in. There's also an attendant outside the cars that can assist you like this one. Perdón, ¿esta coche 2?
Coche 2.
¿Coche 2?
Coche 2 y luego ya su plaza. ¿Vale?
TC7. TC6. ¿Esta va? ¿Cuál? Muchas gracias. So once you're on, just find your seat, which you can find the numbers on the bar just below the shelf where you can store your carry-on luggage. Larger luggage, if it doesn't fit, can be placed on larger racks in the compartment outside the cabin. Once you're seated, sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery if your train is in the daytime. The train from Madrid to Sevilla is about 2 hours and 30 minutes. Pay attention to the little marquee. When you're about to arrive, it will say Sevilla. The train to Sevilla normally stops in Cordoba. Don't get off. Once you get off, I'll most likely be there to greet you guys. Anyways, alright, good talk. We'll see you guys really soon.